everyone, good morning. So I am in Sri Lanka and I thought of going live and showing you this beautiful property, but for the past 4 days I was very busy, very caught up with work here as we were proceeding towards the finale of Miss and Mrs. Global Universal 2019. But today I am free, so I thought of showing you this beautiful humongous property, Mount Lavinia Hotel, which is a heritage property at Colombo, near Colombo, what I can say around 2 hours from Colombo if we have traffic, and if we don't have traffic, about an hour from the airport. But it is also known as or famous as a hotel which is into weddings, because from the time I'm here I think I've seen at least 7 to 8 weddings. Every day there is a wedding here. So I'll just show you the view. It's beautiful. You all can see the Indian Ocean from here. The gorgeous stretching ocean, and you can see a man there. He's fishing. Every day he fishes there. And if you can block there, the white building there, and this side they had the heritage room. So this side block is around almost 200 years old. They have renovated it, and the building staying it was the new building there, and it is a beautiful property. You can see the coastline of Colombo from here. So this is just touching the beach, if you may look, and we can see the beautiful coconut trees. These are the normal coconuts, but in our breakfast we get the king of coconut, the golden coconut, if you can see it from here. And those ones are the normal ones, which are the green ones. If you can see, there is a difference to know here only. That there is a golden coconut also, which is known as the king of coconut. So you can see them there exactly, and you can see this is the pool. I didn't get the time to enjoy the pool at all, although we had very good sun here. But unfortunately, fortunately, whatever you can put it, the way you want to put it, but I was not able to enter this gorgeous baby here, the pool. And there you can see a lot of people sitting. They are having their breakfast, and I'll try to show you where my room was. So you can see that building. My room was on the first floor of the building, just touching the beach. So now I'll take you inside. We all are having breakfast now, and I have to leave for the airport to catch a flight to Mumbai, and from there I'll be going back to Pune. So you can see a loving uncle there. Hi uncle, good morning. Say hi to all my friends. Thank you uncle. So he is liking my this cap, जो मैंने कल श्रीलंका से खरीदी है. And now I'll show you the amazing Sri Lankan corner food. So you all can see the beautiful food here, the Sri Lankan corner. Then they are making hot appams for us, which they also call as hoppers. And these are the options we have for the hoppers. So it is plain egg, jaggery, milk, kurakan, cheese, chicken, bacon, savory, but I prefer the plain hopper. And then we have all these herbal drinks in the morning, which I never tried till now, and all these nice healthy stuff, so I don't go near this counter at all. Then we have this amazing Indian counter where you have all these our desi dishes, and we also have a waffle counter. I don't know where the waffle lady is, because I would like to definitely stalk her and get my waffle made from her. And this is the egg counter, and as I am allergic to eggs, so I don't eat them, but I can still show you. And then this is bacon, we have pork sausages, we have chicken sausages, we have herb butter, and then we have our regular stuff like upma, paratha. Then I don't know how to pronounce that, ulundu vadai. हमारे यहाँ तो इसको सांभर वड़ा बोलते हैं. So you can see the सांभर वड़ा of Sri Lanka here. Then we have dosa, and then we have sambar. And we also have a little bit of English breakfast here, which is, you can see that there is a caution about food allergies, and it is very relevant to a person like me because I have many. You all can see this. And what should I show you? Okay, I'll show you the best thing that I love to drink. Okay, and here is my friend Anjana. She's having the breakfast. Say hi to all my friends and your friends also. So Anjana, this is your favorite part of the day, the breakfast, you know, the favorite meal. So would you like to comment something?
I'm stuffed right now, so when I get a break, I will. But super show, have a great time, and you were once again fantastic for our on stage.
Thank you so much. And now I'll show you all the favorite counter, the juice counter. So it's quite colorful, you all can see. So we have a orange juice, mango juice, we have pineapple juice, mixed fruit, and then we have the baby here, and the name is Thambili King Coconut, the golden coconut. It's called Thambili. So maybe next time, like how we had Bahubali, next time we can have Thambili, the next movie Thambili. And then you have this is the detox water. Again, I have not touched it because you know I am not into healthy stuff. So this is like the detox water. Then we have full cream milk, non-fat milk, passion fruit yogurt drink. And then we have the fresh fruits over here. And this is again the salad, make your own salad counter, followed by all the breads here. So I have shown you, I have tried to show you the property a little bit because it is a humongous property. So I will try to go live next time when I'm traveling, so I can show you around in a much better way. And on that note, you all also enjoy your breakfast. And this is Farhan. We're signing off. Bye bye.